my fault.
Yes, it is.
You
That's
were
the
shooting me when I
rule.
was reloading.
Well, I didn't see you reloading.
That's all my
Stop! I'm reloading. I said stop, because I don't know which way the bullets go. Jeez.
Crybaby.
I don't know which way the bullets go.
Look at the arrow.